Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to stop any apps from tracking your location on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here to open my phone settings. Open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you navigate to location. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to app locations permissions. Just like so. You have all the apps that have access to your location. Now, if you want to stop any one of the app right here from accessing your location, what you need to do is to simply click on the app. So let's, for instance, I want to use this quick cool Wi-Fi. So I'm going to simply click on it. Now it takes me right here. Now allow only while using this app. Allow all the time, as every time. I will simply switch to don't allow. And with that, by the time I go back to my permission location, you can see the app has been disappeared. And this is how to stop any app from tracking your location on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.